Hey, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a portrait of Vidyut Jamwal by Pencil Colors, which are cheap and easily available. I'm using Faber Castell bicolor pencil, which is easily available in any kind of local bookstores and it won't cost you much. I bought the 18 shades set for 95 rupees only. For this portrait, I don't need much colors. I am only using brown, dark brown and black color pencils. I am using a white Apsara glass marking pencil to blend the pencil colors for highlighted and glowing areas. This is easily available in bookstores also, and it is also very cheap. These white pencils gives very smooth oily structure, so it looks good on portrait. Also, I am using a 9B graphite pencil for little detailing on beard areas and little shading on the hair. Some tips for you while sketching with these pencil colors. These pencil colors are for beginner artists so that you can learn the shading, but these pencil colors won't give you the very realistic contrast even if you pressure it too much on paper. Use Prismacolors or Faber Castell polychromes for the realistic effects, but these pencil colors leave little white blank dots on the page. But you can cover those by shading lightly on those blank areas, but you must have patience for that. If you are new here and like this video, subscribe this channel for more amazing artworks.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk?
Let me know if you like this video or if it helps you for your artwork, or if you have any queries, comment down below or DM us on our social media. Links are in description, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
And now, I lose my own side, my
Follow us on our social medias, links are in the description. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe. Stay tuned.